Hi everyone! Welcome again to my YouTube channel, at kung bago ka lang sa channel na to, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell para ma-notify kayo kung may mga future vlog or video akong i-upload sa channel. So, as you can see, I'm wearing a short artificial hair as my new look. So anyways, so let's start with our topic. Ano ba yun? For today's video, pag-uusapan natin or ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano ba mag-set up ng smartwatch yung free ng Reno 5. So, bagong labas lang po yung Reno 5 and meron po siyang kasamang smartwatch. Pag bibili ka ng Reno 5, ito po yung smartwatch niya na kasama. Yung brand niya is Kuyou. Kuyou. So, pagbubuksan po natin yung box niya. Okay? Let me show you guys what's inside. So, may box. So, actually, siya, may manual book. So, gamit ito, pwede rin kayong magkaroon ng idea kung paano ba mako-connect yung smartwatch mo gamit yung mobile app. But sometimes it's still confusing. So, ito po yung itsura ng smartwatch. Ito na po siya. Taraan. So, ito po yung strap. Unfortunately, ito lang yung kulay na available. Gusto ko sana black or pink. But sad to say, ito lang yung available that time. So, ito po yung niya. Parang pinaka-relo. Ito yung strap. So, paano siya i-open? Meron siyang press button dito. Yan, kung nakikita nyo yan, pipindutin nyo lang yan ng matagal. Then, voila. Charan!
Yeah, I smell good!
So, ayan. Medyo siya, on and off. So, kailangan siyang ayan. Yan yung itsura niya. So, ito yung settings. Ay, hindi po yan dumi. Ano po yan? Eyeliner po yan. So, excuse me.
What?
Kasi natututo pa lang ako mag-makeup. So, medyo nagkakalat. Pero hindi po yan dumi for ako po conscious. But anyway, let's continue. So, pag-click mo nyan, yun yung mga heartbeat, ito yung settings. Okay, settings. And then, yan yung indication na hindi pa na-connect yung mo. Tapos ito yung settings. Tapos makikita mo dyan yung mayroon ditong menu style. Okay. App. So, makikita mo rin yung battery percentage. So, matagal po siyang malobat, guys. So, pwede mo i-on yung power saving mode. Then, next is system. So, dito mo siya pwedeng i-reset and shutdown. And then, dito mo makikita sa about yung pangalan ng device mo. Yan, anong app ang kailangan mong i-download. Kasi, hindi po lahat, applicable. So, QR code, on mo lang yan. Dapat yung phone mo may scanner. So, pwede ka mag-download ng scanner app sa App Store, sure. So, yun po yung itsura ng scanner. QR scanner. Pwede mo yung i-download. Then, open mo lang yan. So, once again, i-scan lang natin yung QR code. Then, yan. Lalabas po dito kung anong app ang kailangan natin i-download. Yan, i-click po natin tong link na to. And then, charan! So, yan. Fitcloudpro. Then, yan. Magpili ka lang kung alin yung gusto mong downloadan ng app na yun. So, ayan na guys. Once na na-open na natin yung app, So, magra-register lang tayo. Click natin tong register. Then, enter lang po natin yung valid email address. Okay. So, we can try this one. So, yan. Then, password. Then, of course, your nickname. So, I'll put here. Then your birthday. So, this is just sample. It's not the correct one. Then, your gender. Your height. So, then, your weight. Yung timbang mo. Okay. Then, next. So, once you're able to fill out everything, if you want, then next. So, it's still verifying the information. So, that will be the next step. You just need to click save. Then, turn on. Then, an app wants to turn Bluetooth on, allow. Then, search. Confirm. Turn on the location. And then, skip na lang muna natin siya ngayon. Then, make sure mo at saka yung location. Then, paano ba natin siya i-connect sa app? So, punta ka sa device. Then, add device. Then, search. Basta naka-on siya kahit kahit hindi siya nakaganyan. Basta naka-on lang yung yung smartwatch mo. Masa-search na dapat nung app, nung phone yung device mo. Pero just in case na hindi ma-search, tulad na nangyayari dito. See? Just not fine. Talaga, diba? So, the thing that you can do is, punta ka sa settings. Then, no, not in the settings. Sana ba yung reset? Okay, reset password. Okay. Wait lang. System. Punta ka sa system and then, okay, 1 second. Kasi dapat ito yung makikita. So, punta ka sa reset. Okay. Yan. So, i-search mo ulit. Punta ka ulit sa app. So, once you're done resetting the smartwatch, then retry ka again. Okay, and there you go. We were able to locate the device name. So, i-compare natin kung tama ba siya. So, malalaman mo kung saan siya ulit. So, malalaman natin dito kung tama ba yung device na nahanap natin is through settings as well. So, pupunta tayo sa settings. Then, system. Then, about. Then, yan. AC4. Okay. So, diba mag-match? So, ayan. I-connect mo lang yan. Okay, successful siya. So, pwede mo dito mag-set kung anong gusto mong i-measure. Then, ayan na. Makaka-receive na tayo ng message. Dito, pwede mo nang mabasa yung mga messages mo dito. Then, so, ayun na guys. Ganun lang po mag-connect ng smartwatch mo doon sa application mo sa phone. Actually, any Android phone, pwede mo siya i-connect. Basta yung app na i-download mo is yun. Yung, yun nga, yung Fitcloudpro. Then, paano ba ikakabit yung strap? Madali lang po siya. Ito po yung pinaka-lock niya. Yan, mayroon po dyang yan, yung small thing na yan. Pang-lock po yan. So, for example, ito yung mo. Tapos, ayan. Then, i-push mo lang tong lock dyan. Then, saka mo siya itatapat sa butas.
A few moments later.
Then that's it. Yeah. Then paano po siya i-charge? This is how you charge. So ito po yung charger niya. So ganyan po yung itsura. Magnet po. Magnetic charger. Tawag ko doon. Basta magnet charger. So itatapat mo lang siya dyan. Pag hindi siya tumugma, baliktarin mo lang. So pag hindi siya nag-attach ng ganito, baliktarin mo lang. That's it. So mag-charge na po yan. So maganda naman po siya. See? I'll show you how it looks like in my arms. No, in my wrist. Okay. So any size po, pwede siya kasi madami po siyang butas. Yan. So, yan. There you go. Taran. Cool naman siya. Diba? Ganda rin naman. Okay guys, so thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate. And kung bago ka lang sa channel na to, please don't forget again to subscribe and hit the notification bell para ma-notify ka kung may next video or vlog akong i-upload sa channel na to. Okay guys, I love you all. See ya. Bye-bye. Adios. Okay ba? Thank you.